Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This news update is for singer Banj and billionaire Otedola. If you are new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, share my videos, click the notification icon for more videos anytime I upload new content. You stay updated. So guys, let's get to the details of the news. Firstly, singer Banj showed some love to his lovely wife Didi. Banj went to the beach with an artist and draw something so beautiful to his lovely wife Didi. This picture you are seeing here, this is what Banj did. He took a artist to the beach and wrote "I love you, Didi." So that's what Banj did to his lovely wife Didi. So guys, let's move to Otedola. Billionaire Otedola, DJ Scopy's father, has done it again as he flies solo in a massive private jet. This private jet is more than 5-bedroom apartment. This man was spotted only in this private jet. I don't know where he's heading to, but this is called billionaire's lifestyle. So he was spotted on this massive private jet. This is what someone captured and said, billionaire business Otedola flies solo in a massive private jet. If we pay for this kind of jet, our family, friends, neighbors, and well wishers will join us in it. So guys, what do you think? Stay tuned and watch the video. Thank you.
Like me to take around the aircraft or that's yeah. So here, this is our meeting and dining area. So the table can occupy 4 people, plus you can occupy here 2 people for dinner. Here we have a business cabin for business passengers traveling in bigger groups. We have a smaller cabin for an extended